Hi everyone! Today I'm making this timeless apple cake. If you don't already have this recipe, be sure to save it. To begin, we will prepare the filling. For that, we need 1.5 kilograms of unpeeled apples. Starting with the filling ensures it cools down while we focus on the crust, resulting in a delicious treat that leaves you wanting more. Have you made a similar cake? Share it with us in the comments. The advice is that before you start, prepare all the listed ingredients first. So, peel the apples and clean the middle. Grate into larger holes. Place the grated apples in a saucepan and simmer over medium heat. Add 3 large spoons of sugar or 60 grams to the apples. Combine sugar with apples and add 1 small spoonful of cinnamon, 3 to 4 grams. We also combine and continue stewing for about 15 minutes until the apples release their juice. It goes well with all occasions, but somehow it suits me best in colder weather. During stewing, when the apples release all their juice, add 5 spoons of semolina or 70 grams. Simmer for another 1 minute until the semolina absorbs the juice. When the filling is ready, cover it so that it does not harden too much, and let it cool at room temperature while we make the crust. Cake crusts. Add 4 whole eggs at room temperature to the mixing bowl. Then add 200 grams of sugar, or 1 cup of 200 milliliters. For a fuller taste, I added 1 bag of cinnamon sugar, 10 grams, but you can do without it. We mix it all until we get a foamy mixture. It is always preferable to mix first with a lower speed, then occasionally increase the speed while mixing. When we have whipped it well, the mixture has risen nicely, and from yellow to a much lighter color, add 200 milliliters of milk. Mix briefly on the lowest speed for about 10 seconds. Then add 200 milliliters of oil and mix briefly again for about 10 seconds. Mix 12 grams of baking powder with 250 grams or 2 cups of 200 milliliters of flour. Mix gently until combined. Divide the mixture in half into 2 equal parts. Spread with butter and sprinkle with flour. This mold has a diameter of 36 by 25 centimeters. Spread the first half of the mixture in a pan and bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees for 10 to 13 minutes. Do not open the oven during the baking process. Then we don't wait for it to cool down, but immediately add the apple mixture and spread it evenly. Spread the other half of the mixture over the filling and put everything back in the oven for another 35 minutes at 180 degrees. Let it cool at room temperature and then decorate with powdered sugar. Enjoy the delicious taste of this cake for a full week by simply keeping it fresh in the refrigerator. No need to worry about flavor changes or spoilage. This cake will maintain its perfect taste for up to 7 days. Let me know if you need any further assistance. Thanks for tuning in. I genuinely appreciate your support through your likes, subscriptions, and engagement. I can't wait to share my next video with you, so keep an eye out and join me on this exciting journey.